Ah, yes, affiliate marketing. This is one of the biggest ways that businesses can make money through social media without actually having to pay anyone directly. So if you're not sure what affiliate marketing is, this is when a business will hire like a influencer, and the influencer basically sell their product in their videos, like, oh, buy this Dorna water. Go to dornawater.com and go buy some. And then when the viewers go to that link and they buy the water, then the influencer actually gets some money from that. But how does this whole process work? Well, if you're a business, one of the things you have to figure out is you have to find affiliates. You have to find the influencers that are willing to work with you. And the thing is, there's a lot of social media people, and there's a lot of businesses that are willing to work in affiliate programs because it's a really good way for them to make money. So as a business, you know you're coming to an influencer saying, look, I'm giving you a way to make money, another revenue stream. Believe me, influencers are always looking for more revenue streams, right? So the first off, you gotta find them. And when you're finding affiliates, you wanna make sure you find them that kind of fit with your business. So if you are a food company that sells, let's say, like pots and pans, you probably want to go with a food blogger that actually makes food. Maybe not necessarily a travel blogger or an education blogger, but you probably want to have one that relates to your thing. So you get a cooking blogger and they use your pans on there and then they can sell it. That kind of fits. But sometimes you're like, look, I don't care. Like my product isn't that specific. Maybe you have like an app, like you have a game on a phone that anybody can play. Then maybe what you want to do is you want to find affiliates, you want to find influencers that just have a wide reach. Like they have a lot of followers so you could get your app in front of a lot of people. That's why you'll see a lot of YouTubers and TikTokers will be talking about different apps, whether it's like a VPN or it's a video game kind of thing on phones, those kind of things, right? So that's step one. You got to find those affiliates, someone that's going to work with you. And then when the affiliate's there, you need to give them a link. So the affiliate has to share a link. And the thing is, it isn't just me sharing dornawater.com. No, you want to have an individualized link for that influencer because then you can track it. Hey, you go to whatever your company name is / Professor Walters, right? And so if they go to like dornawater.com / Professor Walters, that's not a real website, by the way. They go there, then you know that, oh, they came from Professor Walters, and click Professor Walters, clicks a little click. Now, you could pay them based on people clicking on the link and going to the website, or you could pay them, they only get paid if someone actually buys a product, so that's why you want to track these things. But you give them that affiliate link, and then the influencer shares that link on their website and their videos, whatever, you have that. Then the customer goes, ooh, yes, that Dorna water sounds fantastic. I want to get some of that. And then the customer needs to click on that link. They need to engage with that link, okay? And that's why you'll see on Instagram, sometimes you can like swipe up and it'll take you to the website right away. Or there might be a link you click on or something, or maybe you'll put a QR code on the side here that people can like, because a lot of people watch these videos on TVs, but you can have that, QR code there. They can take a picture of that or go to the link. But the thing is, the customer has to engage with the link. Because the thing is, for an influencer, they're not going to get paid. If I tell people to get Dorna water, they go buy Dorna water like at the store or wherever, I'm not going to get paid for that. I want them to buy it online, so you want to make sure there's that individual link and you want to make sure you can track it. Because if influencers find out that there's products that are being sold and they're not getting paid for it and they're the ones that brought it there, they're going to share that with all the influencer community and other people will not want to work with you, okay? So don't try to rip off the influencers by saying, oh no, nobody came, when they actually know what happens, okay? Now, once that customer, okay, we've lost the influencer, okay? The influencer's out, now we've got that customer, okay? So that customer engaged with the link, and then they get sent to a landing page. And probably what you want to do, if you know you have a bigger affiliate or one that's going to be working with you, you might have an individual landing page they go to that'll be like, Professor Walters is there, like, hey, look, this water's really good. Here's where you can buy it. Click here. And so you could have it that way, or you might have it that all of your people come to the same landing page. If it comes on from the influencers, you have it there so people learn about your product that's there, but you have to get them onto a landing page. That's where they're going to go. And then the customer makes the purchase, they buy the water, which is nice, and so you, as a business, get the sale. Yay! You made money off that influencer. Congratulations. But here's the thing. You need to be tracking who came from where, how much they bought, these kind of things, because then you need to make sure that that affiliate, that influencer, they're gonna get their commission. And some places they pay like a percentage rate, like Amazon might give you 1 or 2% of the sale, right? But other places might be, oh, if you get people to sign up for our service, hey, you're gonna get a $10 reward for everyone you sign up. Or they might have it other ways where there's some that it's like, hey, if they sign up for our program, you get a commission for as long as they're part of the program. That's why companies like those subscription services, because it's monthly revenue, and influencers like it as well, because they know I sold that subscription service for that company to them 2 years ago, and I'm still getting paid because that person is still using that language app. Okay, so you have those things, but the affiliate gets the commission, and then that affiliate, the influencer's like super happy, so then they're going to try to sell more of Door to Water, and this whole cycle repeats again and again. So I hope this helps you kind of understand overall how affiliate marketing kind of works in general, so you have an idea of where the whole process goes, so you can kind of follow the crazy maze of where the money comes in, goes out, and all these things. So I hope that helps. We have lots of videos to help you learn about affiliate marketing and influencer marketing at ProfessorWalters.com, or subscribe and learn more. So if you have other marketing questions, please put it down in the comments below. We'd love to make videos answering your questions to help out marketers and people and influencers want to learn more. We just want to help you out. Wish you all the best. I'll say bye from here in Brasov, Romania.